Hi, I'm Caleb Arnold for United Pacific. Today, we're going to take a look at our wide variety of Grakon Style cab lights. United Pacific has many types: the 1000, the 2000, and the 5000 style. These cab lights are an easy way to upgrade your truck to the latest LED technology. Not only will the light be brighter, but the brilliance and beauty cannot be beaten. Let's take a look at the differences. The 1000 series is a classic round bullet-shaped cab light. These lights are available with and without a visor. Also available are matching surface mount lights to use in various places on your rig. The 2000 series, used primarily on Peterbilts, and the 5000 series cab lights are used on many Kenworths. If your rig is already equipped with cab lights, we have replacement LED lenses that can be installed easily on the 1000, 2000, and 5000 series lights. No matter what Grakon style lights you have, United Pacific has what you need to upgrade your truck. If you need assistance, support is available at faq.upauto.com. You can find our products at any United Pacific dealer or visit our website at truck.upauto.com.